Hello guys, welcome back. In today's crypto technical analysis, today we're going to do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC, and we're going to look at the recent setups that I shared via Twitter, and we'll do CRV analysis. However, before we start, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, then don't forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Starting from a weekly time frame, based on a weekly time frame, as soon as we broke 17,500, which was expected either with a SFP or clear breakout. We had a clean breakout, as you can see, with a single weekly candle. We broke it and we're below the recent low, which was on the weekly time frame, 786, the Fibonacci level, $17,500-ish. And at the moment, without breaking $20,900, $21,000 as a support, claim it as a support, it's going to be early for us to talk about the next weekly time frame resistance level. However, it is early for us to talk about it. And below, we've got very important level, this level, which I'll keep talking about, 13,500 and 14,500 level. Moving on to a daily time frame. On the daily time frame, as soon as we lost $60,000 and we had a bearish setup, first exit zone, $52,000 and $48,000. And as soon as we entered under the bears control based on a daily time frame with just a fake out on 48,000, and we never had a bullish setup for the daily time frame. And at the moment, as I said, each and every single time, either horizontal resistance that 786 and 382 higher time frame, we kept rejecting from these levels. At the same time, the last resistance was 20,100 that was expected, and I'm targeting this support box. So $18,500 and $20,500 are extremely important. $18,500 may allow us to go to a consolidation. However, breaking $20,500, that will give us a bullish setup based on a daily time frame. However, we should do a further analysis based on a mid time frame. The mid time frame is heavily under the bears control. So as I said, there is no need to panic and start thinking about the exiting from market. Up to 17,500, which was a higher time frame fib level, we saw 70% dump all the way up to 70, nearly 5% dump, with the current price 73% dump in the market. However, in average between 52 and 48, that will give us a $50,000. In the first place, we saw 65% all the way up to 68% dump in the market. Before we do a further analysis for BTC, I would like to draw your attention to CRV setup, where you had this is a resistance box that I mentioned and shared via Twitter on the 26th of November that I said, keep an eye on to CRV. We were at the resistance box, and as soon as from the resistance, we got a rejection, and we saw, which is a massive dump in the market, 17 to 15% dump in the market. We also had a confluence with this resistance box that the hybrid system, as you can see, smart money line, primary resistance, and your secondary resistance was the green line. We got perfect rejection from nearly the green line, and we saw, as I said, massive dump, which is a 17% plus dump in the market. And the system, the smart money system, keep printing, as you can see, lower lows. And I'm expecting the target level is going to be, this is going to be your target number one, which is going to be around 57 cents. The target number two is going to be 47 cents. So expected profit is going to be in the first place, 25% average, all the way up to 40%. For BTC and altcoin setups and educational contents, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. Before we do a further analysis for BTC, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. And 101 Intense Masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. If we're going to analyze the 4-hour time frame, which I mentioned that you have to keep an eye on to this, fixed range, at the same time, we had a confluence with a 0.618, as you can see, rejection after rejection, and then we saw a dump in the market, 3.5% plus profit. The moment we just stuck in the value area low, and without claiming $17,000, it's going to be early for us to talk about $18,000 and $18,500. So $17,000 is extremely important in order to get back to consolidation based on a 4-hour time frame. And without claiming $18,500, $18,000, it's going to be early for us to talk about bullish scenario. However, I'm not giving too much weight at this stage. 23rd of November, I posted that 618, the golden pocket, and expected the rejection right from here, and then based on a lower time frame. On a 1-hour time frame, as you can see, we took some stops from here, one after another rejection from 6.7 and 0.618, the golden pocket, and we saw, as I said, 3.5% dump in the market. So in the first place, we have to keep an eye on after this rejection. So 15,700 and 600 is going to be extremely important levels after this rejection. If we're going to lose the point of control, there is a decent chance, and the eyes in the first place for this scalping is going to be $15,600 and $700. However, based on a mid-time frame, I'm still following the same price action, and 14,500 and 13,250 is going to be the primary target level. So the price action started squeezing in this area, $15,500 and $16,500. So again, keep an eye on to the support level. That's going to be our primary target based on a 4-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame. As soon as we broke for 16,400 and 500, 2-hour time frame started flashing a bullish signal. However, as I mentioned in the previous videos, that you have to be cautious, and in bear market you can't go against a mid time frame or higher time frames. And as you can see, we stayed since the 23rd of November on the bullish territory. However, with a single candle, we went back under the bear's control. So at the moment, 2-hour time frame is heavily under the bear's control. Based on a 2-hour time frame, without claiming 16,500, as I said, on the 4-hour time frame, 17,500, it's going to be early for us to talk about the 18,000 in the first place, all the way up to $18,500. Claiming 18,500 based on a 4-hour time frame, that will give us a bullish setup. However, I'm not giving too much weight, and I'm following this support box. Swing setup still open. As soon as we broke $20,000, retested it 618 and 67 golden pockets, and as I said, keep an eye on lower time frame. 618 was here, 7% 6% pump, and as expected, that we were expecting the rejection right from 618, and that was a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame. And we saw massive dump with the FTX crash, 25% dump in the market, and with the current price action, over 20% dump. And as I said, without claiming 18,000, 18,500, there won't be a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.